guys, so I'm here at this Target and I'm looking at the Hot Wheels and look what I found. Bang, baby. Been waiting to get my hands on these for quite some time, so here we go. So here's a Morris Mini. Here's the Beamer, which I already have. Let's see, here is this one here, the Mclaren 7205. It's alright, but it's not really my cup of tea. Now this one I did not have. Cool. This is BMW. This is really cool. Definitely taking that one. And yes sir, don't mind if I do. Check out this McLaren. Very, very cool. Let's see what else they have. This Lamborghini is cool, but I already have it. They have some of the Masters of the Universe ones, which I don't care for. Let's see what else we could find. There are two more. There's another Beamer over there. I already have it. Masters of the Universe. Here's another Beamer. More Masters of the Universe. Looks like they have the whole set of the Masters of the Universe, but I don't care for these. So I'll let somebody else enjoy them. Let's take a look at this one here. Land Rover. It's not bad, but it's kind of, it doesn't have that much detail. I'm just gonna leave it behind for somebody else. Check this one out, guys. Here's a Lotus. I believe that's what it is. Yep. Nice. Definitely taking that one. Okay, cool. Now this one, I wouldn't mind taking. Volkswagen T1 panel bus. Yes, sir. There's more Lotus Spirit. Here's another T1. I'll leave that one there. Check this one out. Pretty cool. Taking that one. And there's another one of these. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. There's another one down there, but I'm gonna leave it for somebody else. So anyways guys, that was my quick little express haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one.
Say what you wanna say to me now.